This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Mebane Police Department is searching for Deontay Taborn. Deontay Taborn is an 11-month-old black male, approximately 2 feet tall, weighing 25 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. Deontay Taborn was last seen wearing a light blue onesie with clouds. The abductor, also named Deontay Taborn, is described as a black male, 6 foot tall, 160 pounds, wearing a denim outfit. They were last seen traveling towards Person County in a black 2014 Audi A4. License plate R as in Robert, D as in David, V as in Victor, 1184. RDV 1184. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact law enforcement immediately at 911 or STAR HP. This is an Amber Alert.